coating in the garlic. Only garlic. Look at that. See that? Look how beautiful that is.
I know she hear that everyone's busy.
Beautiful. Mmm. Delicious. Welcome back, my goodies. Today I'm going to make some wings. I'm doing two types of wings. I'm doing honey garlic and Barbie fry. So I already wash and clean up my wings, trim them up and everything. So now we're gonna get into the seasoning. So I'm going to go over the seasoning that I'm going to add to my wings. So here I have some garlic pepper powder, and I have half tablespoon of paprika, half tablespoon of chicken seasoning, half tablespoon of roasted garlic and peppers, half tablespoon of onion powder and garlic powder mix, 1 tablespoon of Maggi chicken seasoning, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. And these are the seasoning that I use: the Maggi chicken season up, the roasted garlic pepper, paprika, and the chicken seasoning, black pepper, and that's the garlic pepper powder. And the onion that I'm going to use is in the cupboard, of course. Did not bring that out yet. That's a different part. I'm going to show you how to make the sauce, both the barbecue sauce and also the honey garlic sauce. So let's get into the seasoning of our. So I'm just adding all the seasoning and I'm gonna rub this in. Okay, so it's nice and rubbed in. So this is my breading. So I have some flour in here. I have 4 cups of flour, and I've added the same seasoning, but I've added like 1 teaspoon each of the same seasoning that I used to season the chicken, except I've added 1 pack of the Sazon Goya seasoning, and this is going to give it a nice color. See, it does add a nice color to the chicken when it's fried. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fry these first. We're gonna French fry them. So I'm just gonna mix in the seasoning in my flour, and I'm going to use this breading to coat the chickens. Okay, so I've breaded my chicken, my wings. As you can see, I have some here already breaded, and I have the rest of breading. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to French fry these. So over here I have my Dutch pot, and I'm just going to add the oil to fry my chicken wings. And you need quite a bit of oil when you're frying chicken, especially when you're French frying it, so it can cover the chicken. So basically about 4 or 5 cups of oil. You need a nice thick pot. So I'm just gonna wait until this starts to get hot. I'm gonna add a piece of thyme and a hot pepper. So I added 3 cloves of garlic, just a handful of thyme and a hot pepper. You want to add this to the oil when it's cold, because when it's hot it is going to start popping up. So after the oil hot now, then we're going to fry with chicken. Okay, so oil ready. As you can see, the garlic and the pepper, them getting brown. So we're going to put our wings in the oil. Just drop them in, let them fry. Watch yourself. Turn them occasionally till they're nice and golden. Like so. See why we need a lot of oil? Yeah, man. So, you're gonna just turn them occasionally. But let them get a nice crisp before you turn them, okay? Okay, this is the first set. See? Beautiful, lovely, nice. So I'm going to fry the rest. And then we're gonna make our sauce. And then we're gonna finish up, okay? Okay, so we finished frying our wings. As you can see, they're looking beautiful. So we're gonna make the honey garlic sauce. Okay, so in here I have some honey and I have some garlic that I have crushed. Here I have barbecue sauce and I'm using the Diana sauce. To the barbecue sauce, I'm going to add some sweet soy sauce, just a little bit to sweeten up things. Nice. And then I'm going to add the garlic to the honey. And you want to mix everything in. Coating in the garlic. Only garlic. Look at that. See that? Look how beautiful that is.
I know she hear that everyone's busy.
Beautiful. Delicious. So we finished coating everything in our garlic and in our barbecue sauce. So we're gonna put this in the oven now for 10 minutes. Wow, just look how beautiful these look. So that's the Barbie fry and this is the honey garlic. Look how beautiful these are looking. If you like this recipe, remember, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so yet, and make sure like up the video. Until next time, walk good.